Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title and the look that I have on my eyes right now, I am going to be doing a green smoky eye with a little bit, maybe a lot of glitter. So if you like what you see, please keep watching. Okay guys, I have primed my eyelids off of camera and I even did my eyebrows off of camera. Same process that I always do, so I'm not even going to repeat myself. So we're just going to get straight into this look. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. In that palette, I'm going to go into this green shade right here. I'm taking my R37 brush to apply the green shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Okay, that green is all blended out, and at the pigment that I want it to be at, I am now going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. What's new? And I'm going to take this dark green shade down at the bottom row and apply that. I'm going to use my Morphe E17 to apply. Going back in with my R37 with no extra product, I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, I'm going to take a little black from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and add it with that dark green shade that I'm using from the Jaclyn Hill palette and use that to kind of darken up the outer corner just a little more. Okay, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in shade medium and I'm going to use this to carve out my lid. I'm using my BH Cosmetics brush number 13, the same brush that I used to cover up my eyebrows. Okay, going back in with that Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to go in with this shimmery green shade right here. I'm actually going to dip back into my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to go in with this sparkly green shade down there. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush number 6 to apply. I feel like every time I use this palette, I get even more and more like shook. Because there's some colors I haven't even like touched, but holy, like this, I've never touched this and it's fucking beautiful. Mind you, sis is coming out with another palette, like... For today's look, I'm going to go in with some NYX glitter. I had picked out a silver and a gold that I had, but seeing the way this is turning out, I think I'm going to go in with the silver one. I've never used glitter before, ever. So I'm kind of scared at how this is going to come out, yet really excited. I'm actually going to use that same Morphe M213 brush that I used for the inner corner to apply the glitter. Oh my god, I'm shooketh. Wow, in case anyone didn't already know this, glitter's a lot. But wow, that looks really freaking fabulous. Okay, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe E17 brush and I'm going to take that dark green and a little bit of black again and I'm just going to make sure that everything is smooth going into the glitter. Okay, I'm going to go back in with my BH Cosmetics brush number 6 and into that sparkly green shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just going to go over. Okay, so I did a little black liner, so now I'm going to remove the tape. Okay, so usual steps before I finish off my bottom lash line, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. Okay, now for my bottom lash, I'm going to go back in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with that same green that we went in for the top lash. Okay, so before moving on to the lips, I'm just going to take my Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette, and I'm going to use this palette to highlight. I'm really just going to go in with this bottom white shade right here. Okay, face is all done. Now I'm just going to go in with lips. I'm going to use my MAC lip liner in shade Hover to line my lips. As mentioned in my last video, or one of my videos, I really don't have a lot of nudes that don't have a lot of pink in them. So when I had gone on Sephora to get my skincare stuff, I had bought this little tiny lip thing. It is the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lip Kit, and it comes with 6 lipsticks, lip glosses, paints, and all of that. So I'm going to use one of the lipsticks from here today. Okay, so I'm actually going to go in with the Hourglass Girl Futurist lipstick. Why do I always buy things that smell so good? Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Okay, so I did dab a little bit of this Tarte lip paint on top and just blended it in. Okay, so we are ready for our final step, and that is to drench our face in the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. You guys know the drill. Ready, set, go. First of all, okay guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button down below and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. New videos are posted every Tuesday, and well, that's it. I will see you guys next week. Like I said in all my previous videos, wow, I just have concealer all over my hair because I didn't take it off.
Oh, hey, what's going on? Did I mess up your eye?
No. Okay. Honestly, this eye looks like fabulous without the glitter. Now imagine when I add the glitter. So next step is we're gonna do mascaras. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Big Shot. Always do that. That's why I'm running low. Time to go shopping.